Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video here we successfully complete our insert fee category and also we read this data from our database, and if you now click as a browse, so right now you can see they have the three fee, and also it's now getting this data and visible it in our category list page. So now I want to complete our edit at the delete portion. So first of all, that is edit. So we have to edit it by the specific one of the ID. So now if you want to do that work, that is our view page, right? So into the view page I have loaded that our button as the edit button and the delete button, and also here I pass that our ID. So now we have to create one of the route for this one, and I just name it as a fee category edit, and into the fee category edit, and also they have one of the ID. So now if you go to our web route, I want to copy it from here. Okay, I copy it, so that will be our edit. I paste it, so that will be as a category, that means the fee, and then category edit, and after that will be one of the ID, right? And also I name it in the view area, that will be as a fee category edit. So I copy it, and now that will be as our route name, right? So that will be our route name. So now in our fee category controller, into this fee category controller, I want to create one of the method as for the edit, that will be as a fee and then cat edit, right? So this method we have to create in our fee category. So that will be just like our student year into student year. You can see that is actually our same. I copy it, and then here after this I paste it. So that will be actually our method name. I name it as a fee cat edit. So that will be as a fee cat edit, and also they have one of the ID. That means that is actually our requested ID, right? So now I simply add this ID, and then I take one of the variable as edit data, and then our model name. So right now I am using that model name as a fee category, right? That means a fee category. So with this fee category I find a specific one row data, and then I returned it to the return view. Into the setup I have created another folder. As a fee category. So I name it as a fee underscore category, right? So that will be our folder name, and after that I want to create one of the page as a edit fee category. So now I name it as edit and then underscore fee underscore cat. Okay, so this type of one of the page I want to create, I copy it, and that will be in our this folder as a fee category. Click as a new file, click as a save as, and then I save it. Okay, that will be as a edit fee cat blade .php. Perfect. So friend, that will be edit our ER edit. So I copy everything from our ER edit, I copy it, and then I paste it. Okay, so here only we have to change that our name. So that is our edit student. So now I want to change it. It will be as edit fee category, and then our this name will be updated. Also this name will be as our fee category name, and then that will be the same, and there is a value. Our database field name is also as a name, right? If you go, you can see there is a file name as a name. So right now I want to get it specific with this ID. I have already passed this data. I take it and take the things with this variable. Here I compact this data, and now we can actually access it in our edit fee cat, right? So now we can actually access it. So here we don't need to change anything. You can see there is edit data and the name. Perfect. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go there, now click as a refresh. So now that is our register fees. Better I want to add another one as a test. Okay, as a test or t-shirt or test. Okay, I name it as a test, one of the add fee. So that is a color fee as a test, right? So now if you click as edit, yes, you can see it's now perfectly getting out this appropriate 4 ID data, right? So there is now perfectly getting. If you want to check it with the another one, so that is our registration fee. Click as edit, and you can see it's now perfectly getting that as a registration fee. So now I want to update. Okay, so if you want to now update it, then we have to work for our this edit page. Into the edit page that have also one of the update student fee year. So I want to make it as a fee category. Okay, that will be as a update fee category. So that is in your action, and also you have to update it with a specific one of the ID, and this edit data means here I pass it as edit data, right? So perfect. So now we have to create this one. Now go to our web route, I copy this one, that will be as a post method obviously, and after this I simply name it, so that will be as a, I change that category, and then that will be as a fee, and here I name it as a fee and then category maybe, right? So if you go to edit page, you can see the name is I have uploaded as a update fee category. That means update fee category. Now in our fee category controller, I want to create one of the method, and our method will be as a fee category update. Okay, that will be as a fee category update. So now we have to create this one, so that will be same. I want to copy it from our student year controller, and that will be our update method. So I now copy total things from here, and now in our free category, after this edit, I paste it. Okay, so here I simply paste it, and then I want to update it that our method name will be as a fee category update. I copy it, and now in our fee category controller, here I want to name this method will be as a this one, right? And also that is actually our one of the post method, and here we have to pass that request, and they have also one of the ID, right? So that is actually our ID, and then our model name as a fee category model, and then find a specific one, then the database, our database name will be unique. So I think you already know everything, that is pretty much basic. So I simply updated that part, and also there is a validation. I have already discussed about that things with you. Update that the name, save, and after that it will be display one of the messages as a fee category updated successfully, and then it will be redirect to our this fee category view page. So that is our view page name route, right? So now I simply updated that part, that will be this one. Perfect. So friend, that's all we have to do, right? Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go and now click as a refresh, and now go to our test, click as a edit, and now I want to update this part. Now click as update. Yeah, you can see it's now showing as a free category updated successful, and also it's now updated. So now we have to work for our delete functionality. For the delete functionality, that is also in our view page. Now go to our view, and that is our view page, and here you can see there is a cloud delete, and also they have our suite alert for the ID. So it will be here. So now I want to take another one, that will be as a fee is category delete. Okay, and then that will be as a deleted ID. Perfect. Now go to our web route, I copy it from our shift, I copy it, and then here I paste it. So that will be as a fee, and then the category, and delete with the ID, because here we have to also delete it with a specific one of the ID. So to the view area, I have also added this ID, right? So now it's simple. I want to create our fee category controller. Into the free category controller, I have to create one of the method that will be as a fee. Okay, that will be as a fee cat or category, fee category delete, and then our name I have already updated. Our name will be as a fee category delete, right? I copy it, and that will be as a fee category delete. Perfect. So now we have to create this method in our free category controller. That means that will be just like our year. Better I want to go to our student year controller, and here that will be our delete method. I copy it. So it's same, actually the same functionality every time I am actually using. So right now that is our web. I have created that name as a fee category delete. So that will be our method name will be as a fee category delete with a specific one of the ID, because of all they have also one of the ID. We have to delete it by a specific one of the ID. Then our model name as a right now we are using as a fee category. So I am updated that fee category model, find out that ID, and then it will be deleted this ID. And after that it will be redirect to our fee category view page. I think you already know, and then it will be show as a fee category fee category delected successfully. This type of one of the message it will display. Okay friends, so now if you click as a save all, I just click as a save all, and now if you go there, click as a refresh. So right now that is actually our one of the test one. I want to delete it. If you click as a cancel, everything is all great. If you now click as a yes, delete it. See if everything okay, it will be deleted. You can see it's now showing as a fee category deleted successful, and now it's totally gone from here. So friend, here we successfully complete our this category, and that means the fee category option, and that is a simple one of the code application just we have already done for the class, year, group, shift, right? So in our next video I'm going to discuss about how can add that fee amount. Okay, so here we have to join some of the table, and that will be little bit advanced. I hope you will enjoy it very much. Friend, for the as I told you, from the scratch I want to create one of the complete school management system software. So for the reasons which things is needed, I want to share everything. I want to create one of the complete project. Okay? For the reasons I am not actually escaping any video, so step by step with a live example I will show you how can develop one complete school management system ERP software. So in our next video I want to work with our fee amount. So how can working with this, I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.